back to the vlog.
Hi.
Don't know, I'm vlogging for such a long time. So how's the second semester been for you so far?
Second semester is nice. I like the second semester more than the first semester because there's more practical approach in that. I have to build the websites and all and go through the actual data and analytics in some of the subjects. So I'm liking this one more.
Nice, interesting subjects for me as well. Like I have content marketing management, which is why I came to Oxford, Brooks, and then even the other two subjects are quite interesting. And the assignments and all for that. Anyways, today is Sunday. Both of us don't have shift, so we are heading down to get some chai first, and then we'll go for bowling after planning for like a week or two. The four of us and Rohan, who you guys might have seen in a previous video, we're going for bowling. So let's take you guys through that. Chill day with us, and it's quite windy today. So vibes. After how long? Oh no, you had Parle-G. I'm having Parle-G after 2 years, I think so. 2 years के बाद.
मैंने इसके बाद सुन रही हूँ मैं तो डिप्रेसिंग बातें करता है.
Gang.
Okay.
Gang.
सुने मैं I'm waiting तेरा
Gang.
का वीडियो आएगा उसमें मैं
और उस वाले पार्ट में मैंने ऐसे लिखा है नीचे सबटाइटल्स में awkward silence जहाँ पे तूने कुछ बोला नहीं. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कल आ जाएगी. Okay.
hashtag awkward silence.
Okay, we are on the way to Hollywood Bowl for bowling.
I'm sure they don't care that much, but okay.
Yeah, they do care.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
How do you feel? You just got paid.
दिखाना vlog पे. We are in.
On that.
That's Kassam Stadium is the home of Oxford United Football Club. एक दिन आना है इधर. We have to come to this to watch a match day. I don't think the lower league matches are that cheap. 200-300 pound के तो नहीं होंगे definitely.
नहीं मैं United.
I can save tickets for 2.
Save tickets for 2. Oh.
Yeah, I have those cards. Club, these club cards.
यहाँ ठीक है. What's up guys? welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday, 20th Feb. Wow, time is flying super fast. मैंने काफ़ी दिनों से vlog नहीं किया, so I don't know what content to make also. But today के लिए we are making pizza. I'm making pizza from scratch. So Srishti is here of course, and Shraman and Addison are also coming. So we'll have some nice pizza sesh. I'll make these guys have my very क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Authentic world best Asia conqueror Clive Booth famous Oxford number one Oxford life
That's
student
our
life.
part to do. Okay, that's our part to give you the review.
Okay.
Yeah.
Self analysis. Gang all here, almost all here.
Anderson will come late only.
Yeah, always. This is stir fried onion and capsicum. वहाँ पे चिकन बन रहा है. Some mushroom and spinach and garlic. And there's a base. I'm so proud of this base.
बस नखरा ये है कि वेजिटेबल बिरयानी नहीं होता.
Triggered.
वो भी होता है यार. बिरयानी मीन्स तुम्हारे में थोड़े से मीट एडेड है, इसलिए मतलब थोड़ी ना कि तुम्हारा बिरयानी हो गया और मेरा पुलाव हो गया.
Guys, comment below, is veg
Does veg biryani exist?
does veg biryani exist? Let's get the comments flowing. थोड़ा engagement बढ़ाओ. Is veg biryani a thing or is it just pulao?
Veg biryani is a thing, dude.
One for veg biryani, one for not veg biryani. I know how to sit on a fence.
Very political. Just don't pick any side, no? Good, nice.
Mad agree.
It's nicely charred.
What?
Go for it. It's stringy. Oh, it's hot. To start it off. Go for it. What's missing?
Nothing.
Had to cook a little bit more
Okay.
on the
Bottom.
On the center only, but taste is
yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes really good.
really good.
Are you guys just saying that to make
No,
it better?
it actually tastes good.
Addison would never say that.
That's true actually.
Yeah.
It's well blended.
Nice. I'd like to hear more from you, sir. You're giving the right emotions.
That my vocabulary is limited in.
Really.
Yeah, that's it.
Out of all of us, you have the most vocabulary. Probably.
He does have a good amount of
Look at him go. It's over.
Yeah,
Nice.
that probably gives you the right expression for how good it is.
good.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
I'll give it a 6 just because it's burnt. But then
Okay, the chicken pizza is yet to
What
go.
halves for just. Yeah.
Really nice. 8.
well, the thing is, it burnt all four sides of it. So I'm just. But if it's how good it tastes, I'll give it.
Okay,
a,
wait for the chicken pizza.
All right.
I think the char on this one is actually quite right.
I personally like a jar.
I really like
for
the
a,
crust.
It tastes this part,
beautiful.
especially this charred part, tastes like it's like right out of a stone oven. It tastes quite nice.
Stoned oven.
would be much better, but yeah.
Okay, I'm getting the chicken pizza now. Wait.
I love the bread.
Yeah, the
amazing.
this dough is like really good.
It's amazing.
Good job.
Dough recipe, link in description. No, it's just written in the description. And guys, tell me, should I open a Subway and Pizza Hut competitor? One store kills it all.
उतना भी नहीं. I mean, it's good, but don't stretch it. It's good.
See, if you
To
don't
do
stretch
it
the
in
dough,
mass, to do it in mass, you might need like a lot of work.
what if just open it in like colleges and unis?
This is not
Start
India, but
small.
okay. I mean,
Start like
Okay, like the four of us.
yeah, like start doing it in bigger groups.
yeah.
Okay, that sounds good.
Me, but
Like invite Crescent gang over and make pizza.
We can just do a make your own pizza day, like from office.
Yeah. That's also
You need to watch office.
You can just tell me.
Arey, it's like
they make their own
it's-
pizzas on that.
No, it's the whole story behind that is much funnier.
yeah.
Okay, I'll get back.